To what extent are you prepared to experience a genuine revolution in the realm of cryptocurrencies? There are only a few days left till the conclusion of the trial regarding Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission. Based on the documents that have been released to the internet, as well as the observations of crypto experts and lawyers, it appears that this is a critically important period. But what is the significance of this? It's not complicated at all. Immediately following a victory with the CC, the price of XRP Ripple might surge to $250 or even higher. Regarding this matter, it is impossible to disregard it. Recently, Ripple's XRP has been in the spotlight as a result of a string of noteworthy events that have captivated the attention of the cryptocurrency world. A prominent theme has been the ongoing conflict between Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC), which has had an impact not only on the operations of the company, but also on the performance of XRP on the market. Ripple's declaration that it would pay a fine of $125 million to the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) within 5 days was a recent tweet by Us.Thankx that caused a stir in the community. Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) are engaged in a larger legal battle that centers on the question of whether or not to classify XRP as a securities. This fine is a component of that larger legal battle. Not only does the conclusion of this court dispute have major repercussions for Ripple, but it also has far-reaching implications for the whole cryptocurrency sector. Ripple made headlines on September 1st with a huge transfer of 1 billion XRP coins, which added to the air of mystery around the cryptocurrency. This move, which was monitored by whale alerts, caused traders to raise their eyebrows because they were concerned about the consequence that could result from such a big quantity of XRP entering circulation. A total of 500 million, 200 million, and 300 million XRP tokens were released from Ripple's escrow accounts during the course of the transfer, which was carried out in 3 distinct phases. This significant unlock caused a decline in the price of XRP, which brought it down to approximately 55 cents by the time the amount of selling pressure increased. It is interesting to note that on-chain data suggests an increase in Ripple's active addresses, despite the fact that price has decreased, whose value increased by around 17% on the 1st of September alone. This increase, in conjunction with a drop in the supply of exchanges, shows that a sizable percentage of XRP holders have shifted their assets away from exchange wallets. A change of this nature typically lends support to an optimistic view because it shows that long-term holders are more likely to keep their assets rather than sell them. Nonetheless, the possible repercussions that could arise in the event that the SEC is unsuccessful in its appeal against Ripple are possibly even more persuasive. Earlier this month, a prominent cryptocurrency attorney named Fred Rispoli presented an intriguing question on social media. He inquired as to whether or not the SEC would be required to restore the $125 million fine to Ripple, in addition to the statutory interest, in the event that the appeal is unsuccessful. Despite the fact that the legal complexities of such a scenario are still unknown, it serves to underscore the huge stakes that are involved in the ongoing case. Ripple has achieved a huge victory as a result of the verdict that was handed down by Judge Annalisa Torres, which confirmed that XRP is not a security. However, it is not yet clear whether the Securities and Exchange Commission would continue to push back through an appeal. A complicated picture emerges regarding the future of XRP as a result of the combination of Ripple's huge XRP unlock, the ongoing legal battle with the SEC, and the reaction of the market to these developments, although there has been a recent decline in the price of the cryptocurrency. The fact that there has been an increase in the number of active addresses and the wider ramifications of the legal action indicate that there is still a significant amount of support for the cryptocurrency and that there is possibility for it to go up. It is highly possible that the outcome of the lawsuit filed by the SEC will play a significant part in defining the path that XRP will go in the months to come as Ripple works through these potential obstacles. Let's now have a look at the potential price of XRP Ripple in the future. In light of the fact that 1 billion XRP is currently moving through the market and major advancements are currently taking place, the experts are humming with forecasts. But this is when things become really interesting. The things that they are predicting are not only startling, but they are also game-changing. Keep a firm grip on it, because what you are about to hear has the potential to radically alter the way you perceive the future of XRP. I can assure you that you are not ready for what is going to happen next. Therefore, XRP has been the subject of explosive conjecture as of late. This speculation was reinforced by a tweet from Bobby in which he described it as an explosive charge that is ready to go high order. It is the anticipation that surrounds the possibility that XRP will see a tremendous rally that is captured by this metaphor, which is both mysterious and strong. Also, this is not merely idle chatter. Some of the most powerful voices in the industry are lending their support to this notion by providing in-depth research and making big predictions. A chart that was recently released by Us.Thankx, a well-known player in the cryptocurrency industry, has garnered the attention of XRP supporters as well as those who are skeptical of the cryptocurrency. His research indicates that XRP is on the cusp of what he refers to as a gigapump, which is a mind-boggling rise that may cause the price of the cryptocurrency to leap to $250. Taking into account this estimate, an astounding increase of over 44,000% is anticipated. The chart that Mnemonic supplied demonstrates previous patterns in which XRP followed a large drop with an equally significant upsurge. This pattern is reminiscent of its rise to an all-time high in January of 2018. The foundation of this research is the notion that the current situation of XRP is comparable to that of previous market cycles. During the most recent cycle, XRP was stuck in a significant downward trend for an extended period of time until suddenly bursting out, resulting in a tremendous increase in price that took many people by surprise. It has been suggested by mnemonics and other theories that history might repeat itself. This time, however, the potential profits could be much more astonishing than they were before. The argument behind this is that XRP has remained under its current negative trend line for a far longer period of time than it has in previous cycles. This could be an indication that when a breakout does come, the subsequent surge may eclipse the highs that have been reached in the past. A mixture of excitement and skepticism has been expressed by members of the cryptocurrency community in response to mnemonics' prediction. On the one hand, the possibility of such returns is obviously appealing, particularly for those individuals who have maintained their holdings of XRP throughout the challenging times. One group of people, on the other hand, is concerned about the fact that these forecasts are based on speculation. They highlight the inherent dangers that come with placing an excessive amount of weight on historical trends in order to forecast future movements. According to the observations of a prominent expert, investors who sold their holdings during the collapse of the previous cycle, who are frequently referred to as dumb money, were unable to take advantage of subsequent gains. In light of the fact that timing the market is notoriously difficult, this serves as a cautionary tale and a reminder. Nevertheless, the current geopolitical and economic backdrop is what lends mnemonics' prediction a degree of legitimacy that goes beyond the limitations of chart analysis alone. The potential role that XRP might play as a worldwide digital asset is currently being given significant consideration, particularly in light of recent developments such as Russia's proposal of a crypto-based alternative to SWIFT. In this particular market, XRP has frequently been seen as a front-runner, of particular importance in the event that the BRICS nations Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa decide to adopt a digital asset in order to expedite transactions across international borders. An adoption of this kind might result in a significant increase in demand, which would push the price of XRP to heights that have never been seen before.